Okay, so I'm about 20 weeks here, and my husband and my father-in-law decided that we were gonna go shooting. This is my first time shooting a handgun, so I am totally just, So yeah, we are going to get a little gun safety tip from my husband first. So this is him teaching me what to do, all the gun safety stuff. Always treat the gun like it's loaded. So that means it has to be pointed away from everyone, or mostly in a safe direction. And he's pretty much showing me like how to open it. And now I am loading my own clip. So yeah, he has to show me, you gotta force it kind of in there. So there we go.
So the gun always has to cross in front of the person, because if I went behind you, the gun's pointing here, right? So I have to come behind on this side. Safety.
He made sure that the gun crosses in front and not behind. We don't want any accidents. And then here we go, some more tutorial. And I'm just shaking my head yes. By this time, I'm ready to go.
Keep your finger right there, yeah.
So here we go.
This hand's gonna...
Babe's showing me how to do this thing.
Like that. And your thumb's gonna go on top of this thumb. So like this thumb's...
Where my thumb needs to be, where the trigger finger needs to be at all times. Now the instructor from the gun range comes through,
Tighten it up like this, then your finger doesn't work by itself.
giving me a free little lesson here.
So 70% of your grip here, and pull back with this arm.
I was leaning forward in the beginning of the video, if you noticed. I was kind of like hunchback, and he noticed, so he came over and he was like, hey, you're doing it all wrong.
Top of this, even with the top of this, look through here to that dot, focus on that. This will be a little out of focus. Your target will be a little out of focus. Bend a little bit at your waist. Good. Lift your gun. Now, put your finger on the trigger and pull the trigger. Good. Okay? When you got the gun like that and you're pulling back on it, you sandwich the gun in
So
there.
it's showing me how to do it.
Especially with a size gun.
And pow, pow, pow.
Good.
No bullets though. It's all about just getting the feel of it. What feels comfortable, what feels right.
Slide back like this.
He told me he wants me to practice my positioning in the mirror when I get home. And yeah, I think that's something that was very helpful of him to teach me, because if I ever do need to shoot, I need to be 100% comfortable with shooting. Another thing is, you know, being pregnant, I do feel very vulnerable. People do, you know, prey on pregnant women. I usually don't go anywhere by myself. I usually want to just go places with my husband or immediate family. You'll rarely catch me by myself, and if you do catch me by myself, I'm not too far from home. But it's always good just to know your gun safety and to learn how to shoot in case of anything. If my husband's not around or if there's no family to protect me, you definitely need to know how to protect yourself and your baby. So I just wanted to let everyone know that gun safety is very important. If you do decide to, you know, purchase a gun, or if you own a gun, every once in a while it is good practice to go to the gun range. So now it's my turn. I had a little hard time because my nails are pretty long. Luckily, I am only about 20 weeks, so the baby can hear, but the noises are not too loud, so I don't feel like it's gonna affect her hearing. I wasn't there for too long. I was there for about an hour and a half, so it was a really nice practice. So I'm just, you know, really excited now that I got that tutorial from an actual, you know, professional. My husband did great too.
It's your first
You actually have to be a little bit strong to do this, so yeah, just to let you know, you gotta have a little bit of muscle to squeeze a trigger. So I know I was burning calories that day for sure. Shooting a gun, it takes energy, and being pregnant, I don't have a lot of energy. And don't mind my shorts. I know that my zipper and my button, I was a little in denial with how big my stomach is at that time. I thought I can still fit my summer shorts.
I'll have you practice dry fire.
No, I cannot fit my summer shorts. I took breaks because, you know, I need to take a break every once in a while. I'm a little more excited that I'm gonna hit the target this time.
You look good on camera though.
I don't know, maybe I shot off about 10, 20 rounds or so, and then I was done for. It was really fun. We went on a Tuesday, so it was not that busy at all. Like, really nobody actually was there. It was kind of just really private for us. So far I have not been able to hit my target. And I have went to the gun range before and I shot a shotgun. I wasn't able to hit my target. Yeah, this part of the video where we all just kind of took a step back. It means that the line was cold. So there's code. So hot and cold. When it's hot, that means everyone's able to, you know, go step back up to the table and start shooting. When it's cold, that means everybody has to stop, put their weapons down, and the gun range, I guess the gun range teacher or the watcher, I don't really know what to call him. But he'll just, you know, go around inspecting everyone. And here we are after the break. The line is hot again. So I'm just shooting, you know, hoping that I get to hit my target. And yeah, I try again. Trying again, trying. Hoping that if I close one of my eyes and one of them is focused on the target, that I can hopefully hit the target. So, doesn't look really promising, but I'm still hopeful that I'll be able to hit the target. All right, I'm getting ready again.
I'm gonna hit it once for you.
hit the target. Yeah, I hit the target. And by hit it, I mean I broke it. So that's how it ends.
How do you know you hit the target?
I finally hit something very shocking.
Bend a little bit at your waist. Good. Lift your gun. Now, put your finger on the trigger and pull the trigger. Good. Okay. When you got the gun like that and you're pulling back on it, you sandwich the gun in there. You'll have much better control, especially with a size gun.